Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. And yeah, this is gonna be my last day in Bogota, Colombia. I will be back, but I'm gonna be heading off to Medellin. People have a lot of nice stuff to say about Medellin, so I am excited about that. Now, ironically, I'm going to be showing you guys my very first adventure here in Bogota, and that's the first experience with street food. I know I've been talking about my favorite street food, which is obleas, and I haven't even showed you guys that as yet. Now, contrastingly, the first street food that I have is more of a healthy option, and it is hella affordable. I won't say cheap because that will, say that the quality isn't good, but it's hella affordable and it's also really, really healthy. So I'm gonna head off down there, and if you guys can see, you might see what I've been seeing on the first time, which was a lot of people that were walking during the lunch hour period. Just a bunch of people heading off to wherever they're heading to have some lunch or just stopping to have some street food. And for me, that was it was a culture shock. It was pretty interesting. And I hope you guys enjoy Soai's very first day out. Let's go. Hola. Ay. ¿Cómo se llama esto? ¿Choladas? ¿Choladas? Sí. ¿Sí? Gracias. ¿4,000? Sí. Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you. Guys, so I just got my choladas. How can I explain this? It's very hard to explain. So choladas is like a mixture of a bunch of different fruits. So there's like papaya, banana, sometimes mango, pineapple, and I've read where it says it's like condensed milk, but it tastes like a condensed milk type of yogurt. And my favorite type is actually when it's like this, when it has the cereal on top. It just gives it this additional thing that is just really freaking amazing. I quite love it. And like I said, it's more on the healthy side. And this only costs, what is it, $1? So it's 4 mil pesos. And that's like $1. But I just get them 5 because I always, leave a small tip. Wow, look at the, I'm wasting all my cereal. It's very, very delicious. Like I was saying to you, see, there's a bunch of people. And there's a lot of dogs. In Colombia, I find that people love dogs. Guys, it's so good. This now, it tastes like, remember back in the day when you make like a bowl of cereal and then you would throw bananas on top of it? Something like that, but just a bunch of other fruits. And I think if you want to do your favorite fruit, you can tell them what fruits you want in there. And yeah, just do it, but I'll take anything. Not a big fan of papaya, but I'll make it work for this. ¿Me puedo sentar? Sí.
Claro que sí.
Ah.
¿De dónde es?
¿Dónde eres? Jamaica.
¿De Jamaica?
Ya, Jamaica.
¿Y hasta cuánto llegó aquí?
Ah, calma, me hablo español un poco. Más poco. Oh, wait.
¿Hace cuánto llegó aquí?
Unas semanas. Unas semanas, pero muy poco. Sí. Pocos días.
Pero bueno, al menos habla un poco español. Sí.
How long ago did he arrive here? 1 week, 1 week.
I try to learn one word every day.
Intenté aprender una palabra todos los días.
Sí. Sí.
Sí. ¿Y qué idioma hablan allá? ¿Ves? ¿Qué idioma se habla allá en Jamaica?
¿Inglés?
¿Inglés?
Sí, en Jamaica hablar inglés. Sí. Tu mamá, su hermana, sister, sí. Okay. Me encanta choladas.
¿Cómo?
Me encanta comer.
¿Me encanta?
Ya, sí. Sí.
Ya casi no se consigue la fruta.
¡Ay! Too fast. Okay. Oh.
Casi no hay fruta allá en Jamaica, o si se ve ártica.
There's hardly any fruit back in Jamaica, or you do see Arctic fries.
In Jamaica we have the same fruits. It's a tropical country.
En Jamaica tenemos las mismas frutas. Es un país tropical.
Sí. But we don't have a dish like this one.
Pero no tenemos un plato como este.
Sí. Sí. For me. Gracias. Mangoes, they have beautiful, beautiful mangoes. These mangoes are almost like, what do you call it? In Jamaica, Bombay. They taste that way and they look that way in terms of size and, you know, juiciness. No. Sí. Sí. Gracias. Difícil pronuncias inglés. Mi pronuncias español difícil. Wait, my tongue feels heavy pronouncing Spanish.
Mi lengua se siente pesada al pronunciar en español.
Ya. Alright. What is the name of this mango?
¿Cómo que se llama este mango, Falchi?
Este y el falchi.
El falchi? El falchi. So I just got the name of the mango, guys. This is called an El Falchi mango. El Falchi más delicioso. ¿Cómo se llama? Chontaduro. Ah, dulce.
Salado.
Ensalado. Ah.
No causarás más heridas. Cuando te enamores, sabrás lo que es la vida. Me darás la razón y me arrepentirás.
Gracias. Wow. Guys, I've never seen this before. Look at that. Honey. Honey. Yo, I pull up. Alright, so this. Wow. Guys, I don't remember what it's called, but it tastes like a potato. And then she put the honey on top of it, so now it tastes like a sweet potato. Dulce.
Sí.
¿Me lo puede vender, por favor?
Claro que sí.
Oh,
Vale, ya.
that honey. It's like a baby potato. Wow.
Muchas gracias.
Chontado? Gracias. Muy bien. Chontado. Me love Colombia. Food nice. Delicious. It's literally like a sweet potato with the honey on top. And there's a little bit of salt as well. It's a bit of sweet, a bit of savory. Me encanta. Gracias. Guys, so I just googled it just now. It's actually from the palm tree. It's like a palm nut. So the fruit, yo, with that shred them thing in Jamaica, you know, if I'm not lying. So the fruits of the palm, that's what they use, and then they remove the nut out of it. Yo, you learn something every day, something new every day. So chontaduro, it's the palm fruit basically. Wow. All right, guys, so just across the road, I've always seen this a very small cow-looking cart thing, but it's arroz con leche, which is rice and milk. So yeah, never tried it before, but I'm gonna try it today. Hola, mi amigo. Dos, 3,000
Sí.
arroz con leche.
Listo.
Sí. So this is gonna cost like $1.50 basically. We do. That's good. Again, in Colombia, I'm always on the swivel.
Pero,
Hola.
¿me ha venido para que la gorda?
Mi español, un poco.
Es complicado, poco a poco.
¿Sí?
Es como todo, nosotros llegamos ahí para los Estados Unidos, no. ¿Qué no van a estar entendiendo esos gringos que todo
Yo le puedo enseñar español.
¿Español?
Yo le enseño.
Sí.
Él sí,
Sí.
también. Eso sí es lo que se escucha aquí. Primero esa grosería. Bueno, la gente es la que es cuña madre, ¿correcto?
Ok. No entiendes. Mi amigo, no entiendes. Sí. I don't know.
Esa república que no hay de otro país, no.
¿Se graba ahí?
Sí.
¿Hay más zamorra? Claro, vecino.
Hola, vecinita.
Vine a buscar la mazamorra, vecino.
Claro, para usted siempre hay.
Sí.
Hoy va a ser diferente. Hoy va a ser arroz y una mazamorra.
Yes. Bien.
Gracias, mi amigo.
¿Para mí?
Sí, sí.
Vecino, dame dos. Vecino, dame dos.
Un momento.
Uno para allá y otro para acá.
Alright guys, so this video is a little bit warm. Yeah, I don't have no clue what they were saying just now, and that's what it's gonna feel like, eh? ¿Sí? Okay.
Gracias.
Okay. See? Alright, this is gonna be my first hand experience with this thing.
¿Le gusta?
Un momento. Buscar? See? Alright, so the raisins, I like raisins, but the raisins are a little bit bitter for me. But the rice and the milk and the cheese, very good. It tastes like a rice porridge. It tastes exactly like a rice porridge. And you might be saying the queso, the cheese is weird, but you don't really taste much of the cheese. This cheese isn't very overpowering in flavor. It really complements milk very well. We all know milk makes cheese, but it's very complimenting. Delicioso. Me gusta. Sí, me gusta. ¿Cómo se llama?
¿Yo? Catalina.
Catalina. ¿Llama? ¿Hermosa? Me llamo Stephen.
¿Sigue?
Sí. Hijo, ¿cómo se llama?
Claudia.
Claudia. Mi mamá.
Alba.
Alba. Alba. Sí. ¿Su mayor? ¿Su mayor? Sí. Well, that was good. Bueno. Sí, gracias. Hasta luego, mi amor. Hasta luego, Claudia y Alda. Ciao, ciao. Again, that was a fun experience. Yo, one thing though, I never understood what those guys were saying. I heard the word negra and I don't know what to say, man. And then one was calling me off to, I guess, look at them phone stalls, but I'm not here for phones, I'm here for food. And that's the only thing that go take me away. Anyway, so I'm heading down to the lady that has the oblias. To be honest, I've tried oblias about 4 times, and my favorite one is the one with nuts. I'm not sure if she has that, but let's see. Hola.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Ah,
¿Cómo está?
muy bien.
Ya, permítame un momento, por favor.
¿Tienes maní?
No.
Ah,
Ay,
okay.
sí, creo que sí tienen maní. ¿No? No, allí también venden el
Mi favorito. You too.
¿El favorito tuyo? Son arequipe, ¿cierto?
All right, so she was the first person that I ever bought from, so I will buy from her again, and I'll buy another one because I love them either other way.
A la orden que no era para servir. Regalas en tu tiempo, si te acuerdas ya, ¿eh?
Dulce, queso, crema.
Crema. ¿Y mora?
Sí.
Con todo. Buenas tardes, señor. ¿Cómo estás? Buenas tardes. El señor, como desea su oblea.
¿Y cuánto cuesta?
4.000.
4,000.
Sí, señor.
Gracias. Vale. Sí. This is obleas, guys. Más delicioso. ¿Sí? Guys, this literally tastes like eating a, oh god, it's like an ice cream cone in a very strange way. So it's like 2 very thin wafers, so just like a Big Dipper, the cone, yeah, similar but just thinner, easier to eat. And then there's queso, which is cheese, and like I said, this cheese here, it's very light, man. It doesn't have that sharp and salty taste, so it doesn't really throw up anything. So there's that cheese in there, and then there's the cream, which makes it feel and taste like ice cream in a very strange way. And I always get the strawberry flavor one, so has a little bit of strawberry flavor. Put that both together. Delicious. I could eat 10 of these. It's really, really, really good. And it's a 4,000, 4 million pesos, which is, again, it's about $1. So it's like getting a Big Dipper on the cheap. Because in Jamaica now, I think if you buy 1 Big Dipper, it's gonna cost you like about $3. Really good. She mentioned that there's the lady just across from her, because a lot of people sell obleas, has it with mani, which is peanuts, and that definitely makes it taste like a Big Dipper, because now the peanuts from the Big Dipper is incorporated. So yeah, but there's another girl down there that I've tried it from the first time with the peanuts. I might try it from her. And then the cream is also cold. In Bogota, it's not very hot, but the cream is still cold. Oh, I forgot. There's dulce. Dulce is also it's caramel, basically. This is like dessert heaven, bro. It's nice, bud. So you guys can see, show you real quick. There's one vendor there, one vendor here, one vendor there. Tres in the same vicinity. This thing is so popular. But I'm gonna do as the Romans do, which is to ride and whistle. People normally just grab their obleas and keep it pushing. So I'm gonna look for my friend really quick. So see? This is like all walking distance, because if you might remember that video I did where I had breakfast from here. If you didn't, make sure you go check it out. Usually at this time of day, they're getting ready to close off, usually. And there's the obleas with the nuts in there. That one is good. Hola! You good? Okay? También? Sí. Obleas, obleas, obleas. Obleas, obleas, obleas. Yeah, just saw the same guy that does the arroz con leche. So apparently it's a mobile cart. I should actually come out one morning very early and try to see, you know, how they do breakfast very early, especially this, but it seems like a very breakfasty type of dish. Hola, Aracelis? No? Aracelis también lo calamos. Sí. So I find that they use the word local. I don't know if it means like the local restaurant, but every time when I say local, they reference it to the restaurant down there that they are opening up shop to. So I'm gonna go down there and see. Oh, no, she's not here. Disculpe. Gracias. All right, I promised you. Obleas.
Señor.
Sí. Obleas, queso, crema.
Maracuyá, mora, chocolate, fresa, kiwi.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Mani.
Sí.
Sí. Sí, señorita. I will share an obleas with you. I don't want much.
Compartiré una oblea contigo. No quiero mucho.
Listo.
No tengo hambre.
¿Antojo?
Un momento.
¿Antojo?
When?
Antojo.
No entiendes.
Ya. ¿Cuál es la palabra?
Jaja, ya. Me gusta, mami.
¿Sí?
Sí, sí.
Y chocolate.
Sí. Delicioso.
¿Ya?
Sí, bien, finito. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Tres? See, a lot of the street food things are like on carts and people. Yeah, one night I saw somebody dragging something like really big, like he was taking a.
¿Cómo?
¿Sí?
No entendí.
No. Cámara.
Ah, listo.
Sí, sí, sí. Perfecto. Gracias. Yeah, so a couple days ago I told her that I would, you know, support. No, it's okay.
Ah, sí, gracias.
See? So a couple days ago I told her that I would buy one from her. I just had one just now, but it didn't have the nuts, and of course, you know, support the people out here. And I've met her before. You know, she's really cool. See, there goes another one.
La cifra sí, pero el perro no.
Hola. Recycle. Sí. Sí. Oh, so they're recycling. ¿Cómo se dice recycle? Recyclable?
Reciclador.
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 Sí.
Sí. Close enough. No, this one definitely tastes like a Big Dipper, because it has the chocolate now and it has the peanuts, the mani. Me gusta. Me encanta. Obligas.
Chama, tengo una obledita de 2.50.
¿Sentar contigo? ¿Sí?
3 minutos. Voy a rayar y voy a preparar.
Ok. Queso. Sí.
Buenas tardes. Buenas a la orden. ¿Uno con todo? Señora, ¿con todo qué es? Arequipe, queso y salsas tengo crema de leche, mantequilla, fresa. Crema de leche.
Sí, contigo. Sí. How was work?
¿Cómo te fue en el trabajo?
Bien, sí, sí. I just ate my second oblias.
Acabo de comer mi segunda oblía.
Yo te vi.
You see?
Ibas
You
pasando
saw?
comiendo una. Venías, creo que allá, ¿no?
Sí,
No del primero,
Sí.
sino del segundo.
sí, sí. Mi favorito.
¿Es tu favorita?
Sí, oblias. You work in a restaurant?
No.
¿Trabajas en un restaurante?
No.
Eso es su... No.
¿Dónde? Sí, oblias. Ah, yes. Sí, sí, sí. I forgot, yeah. So, I forgot. She was the one who actually promised to
Dámele esa...
buy oblias
Epa,
from.
chama.
Ella trabaja aquí y yo trabajo en los aguacates.
Sí. Aguacate.
Aguacate. Ella vende
Aguacate, avocado. Avocado, sí. In Jamaica we say pear. Sí. So, in typical Bogota fashion, it's about to rain, so I'm about to head in pretty quickly. And I guess we're gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy the experience, but there's something else that I want to tell you when we get inside. Alright, so today I did a reenactment of a previous day, but it turned out completely different. I got the chance to try different foods. But in the next video I'm gonna make for you guys is also sort of a reenactment of a different day that I had, and I found it kind of funny. And I'm gonna call this little mini series within this Colombian series WTF. What the F. You guys will figure it out pretty soon, but I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna show you guys that experience, and I'm gonna do several other experiences based off of what the F. So WTF I think is going to be crazy, because I think a lot of travelers are going to experience the very same thing. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, don't keep the fridge door open that long.